to talk to you guys about fire science. Today's lesson will cover the 3 elements of fire. We call these 3 elements the fire triangle. You have to have all 3 elements to have a fire, just like you have to have all 3 sides for a triangle to be complete. Henry drew a fire triangle and he wants you to follow along at home. Take a second to draw a triangle on a piece of paper, an iPad, use whatever you have at home. Awesome job! Henry, can you tell me what 3 things are needed for a fire to burn? It looks like he isn't so sure. Let's write it down together. First, you have to have fuel. We're going to write fuel on the bottom. Fuel can be a liquid, a solid, or a gas. We also have to have oxygen. We're going to write oxygen on our right side of the triangle. Where can oxygen be found, Henry? He said all around us. Next, we have to have heat. So we're going to write heat on our final side of the triangle. Now it's time for a science experiment. What are the 3 things a candle must have to burn? Let's think about the fire triangle. When we light a candle, the oxygen for the candle is in the air all around us. The fuel is actually the wax, and the heat is the burning wick. Now, if we remove the oxygen, that will break the fire triangle and it will cause the candle to go out. In order to remove the oxygen leg of the fire triangle, we are going to put this glass container over the lit candle. The glass container will prevent new oxygen from getting to the burning candle. The candle will then go out once all of the oxygen inside of this glass container has been used up. But first, let's make a prediction. How long do you think it will take for the candle to go out? Prediction was 15 seconds. Let's go ahead and test it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Looks like it was 4 seconds. Write down one thing you learned from this experiment on your sheet with the fire triangle. Now that we know the 3 elements needed for a fire to burn, we can take a look around to see how we can prevent these elements from coming together to start accidental fires. Henry knows that his family fire safety rules keep him safe. Does your family have rules for fire? Henry is going to tell us some of his rules. Write down your own list of rules to share with your family as we go. These fire safety rules help prevent accidental fires. Henry's first rule is to always ask permission when it comes to lighters and matches. If Henry wants to light a candle, Henry must ask an adult to light it for him. Ask your adult what your rules are for lighters and matches. Do you like to cook with your family? Henry's next rule is to look before you cook. Keep the stovetop clean and keep flammable objects away from the burners. The paper towels in this photo are not in a safe spot. Rule number 3, practice candle safety. When candles are lit, an adult needs to be around. Candles should be in safe locations. This candle is in a windowsill near a curtain. This is not a safe spot. These were just a few of Henry's rules. Talk to your family about what you learned today and create your own fire safety rules. Use your knowledge of the fire triangle to explain how fires can start. Henry and I want you to know that many home fires are preventable. We hope that you'll use your knowledge of the fire triangle to make your home safer and to teach your family members about ways that you can reduce fire risks in your home. Thanks for watching, friends!